Hi, I'm Ben from Impulse Wireless, and today we're unboxing the Teltonika FMC 650. This is a high-end telematics unit with CAN bus, RS-232, accelerometers for driver behaviour and vehicle data recording, and of course loads of configurable inputs and outputs for sensors, lights, switches and driver ID. The best thing about Teltonika devices in general is PhotoWeb, but more about that in another video. The thing I'm most excited about on the FMC 650 is custom CAN messages. The FMC 650 detects standard J1939 CAN bus messages on thousands of vehicles, but it also allows us to reverse engineer proprietary signals on the CAN bus and program those in for detection, such as door opening and closing signals on a bus. Let's check out what's inside. The Teltonika FMC 650 itself, made by Teltonika in Lithuania in Europe. We've got 4G antenna, GPS antenna. These are both external antennas for optimal coverage. We've got mounting hardware, which is 5 self-tapping screws. And we've got this enormous rainbow power cable for all those advanced input-outputs that are connected. So on the device itself, we've got the 4G and GPS antenna connections. You can even use a high gain external antenna for even better coverage if you want. We've got an RJ connector for J1708. The CAN bus or J1939 inputs are on the main connector. We've got 2 RJ45 ports for the RS-232 and RS-485, and of course we've got Bluetooth connectivity for programming via Teltonika Configurator if you don't want to use USB, and also for sensors, iBeacons, driver ID and other features. So there you have it. That's what comes in the box with the Teltonika FMC 650. See you in the next video.